within this space, there are so many new tools that are coming online every single day. So each time we come together, we'll share some cool new tools that we're discovering and using.
And oh my God, this is so cool, y'all. Yesterday, I was going through letters from my grandparents during World War II. And I was like, this is such a cool thing. And then I was thinking, wow, like kids could use memory lane. It's a storytelling tool. So you could use it for real storytelling, right? Like actual, journaling for an ELA course. If you all don't know already, I'm a history teacher. So I think it would be really cool maybe to do some kind of like historical fiction using this, a soldier writing to his wife at home, like with my grandparents, feeding in historical data and making it accurate. But if you see here, it says you have a conversation with the genie and share your memories, and then the genie turns it into a conversation, into a captivating chapters of a book. So that could be really cool for an ELA class, but I think there's ways to use it for history and other classes as well. Especially, if you're teaching other languages, super cool.
I just discovered this one last night. I'm so excited about it. This Gamma app will literally take a PDF or a blog or something you wrote or a document and create a very rich presentation, and which you can edit. But I found not doing any editing, it did a pretty phenomenal job. So let me show you an example. My very first experiment with this using Gamma was to essentially take our very first blog that we wrote introducing the AI Ed Brain, which was very copy heavy. So I used this blog, and all I did was literally copy paste the blog into Gamma. And I'm just going to talk over this as the video plays. There's no sound. And so you'll start seeing it. So I copied and pasted the URL for the blog that I wrote, and it immediately kind of pulled in all of the copy from the blog. You'll see, it has a lot of junk in there. It pulled everything in, but it pulled in all of the copy, and it's going fast. It's scrolling fast. And then, you hit submit. And then essentially what you get to do with it is decide on the kind of look and feel of the theme that you want to use. And then once you're done with that theme, you can preview the theme. It will come up with the slides all on its own. So I picked a theme, and it generated slides that I did not do any editing. It's all pulled 8 slides from this. I only used the free version. I didn't pay for anything. I think if you pay for stuff, it'll generate more slides. The free version generates 8 slides. And so it came up with some really great stuff. But it, created lots of different things, like pulling out some of the key parts of the blog post, which is really neat.
This one is Magic To Do. So this is a tool that's built to break down tasks into smaller pieces. So let's say you have a toddler that you're trying to teach how to get ready for school. You can put in this, and then you can choose your spicy level. So you can make it really mild, so maybe that'll provide less guidance, or you can make it extra spicy to provide a lot of guidance. So let's make it extra spicy. We'll add our task here, and I will say, while I like what this does, it is a little clunky of an interface. But once I've added the item, then I can go ahead and click this and break it down. And then it will break down the task into you have to wake up, you have to make the bed, you have to brush your teeth, put on deodorant, all of this. And then I can edit these tasks and remove them or break them down even more. So maybe I want to break down putting on my shoes more, and it doesn't really do a great job with that, but it does hit a few extra items there. So this might be something for a teacher who's trying to break down how to do a lab in a science classroom. You can add your own tasks in here and have it break it down further. Or if you're just having trouble with kids understanding what they're supposed to be doing, it's a cool tool to check things out.